Hey, what does being in a blizzard and making bean pear milk have in common? Absolutely nothing. Let's get back into the kitchen and I'm going to show you how to put this all together. Hey, welcome to my kitchen. I've got canned organic pears, Great Northern beans, filtered water, and vanilla extract. Let's add all of these ingredients into the blender. Now, make sure you use a white bean like Great Northern, Navy, or even a cannellini bean. A white bean works best. Add the pears. You could use canned peaches as well as fresh strawberries. I've used them all. They all work great. Add the vanilla extract and you're ready to blend. Blend for about 30 or 40 seconds. Basically, you blend until you get a creamy consistency. And then you're done. You could add a pinch of salt, some medjool dates to further sweeten it. What you have here is a delicious dairy-free, nut-free, thickener-free, soy-free beverage. Ready to top on your favorite hot cereal, cold cereal. Drink it by itself or just pour it on a bowl of fruit. So thanks for watching. Make sure you share and subscribe to my plant-based Scratch Kitchen channel. Check out all the other videos. Here's the recipe from my cookbook.